Alright, what is going on? Here we go.
The Trevor
So,
Project is the leading organization working to end LGBTQ youth
alright,
suicide in the US and beyond. No matter what
so today we've got to add menus and stuff when you die. I'm trying to get new music, but so in the last stream here, we got the main gameplay working. What's up, Traxil? Have you been in the stream before? I don't recognize your name. What's up, Cameron? Good to see you're back. I remember you from that last one. But so last stream we got the level system working with the XP, and we had the zombie and all that. So now we need something to happen when you die, because right now your health bar goes to 0 and you're just done for. So that's what we're looking at this stream, but I need some ideas and stuff. So, but how are you guys doing? You guys have a good Easter? I'm gonna fix some of the numbers real quick on some of these guys. And then also I was thinking we could add like health pickups or something, but we need to do the menu. And I was wondering what we should do for the backgrounds for the menus, because like I feel like if we just did a plain white like background, it'd look kind of ugly. So I'm not sure. I was thinking maybe like a brick, like castle brick, you know, or something, because it's like kind of a wizard castle-y theme. But we can just start playing around with stuff and see what happens. So I'm gonna start by getting just that plain image in. We're also, oh, never mind, we got font, we'll be good for that. So this is what's gonna show up when you die. This will be like the game over, you hit level 0, that type of stuff. So we're gonna create a new script for it. Call it game over. Is the music loud enough? I was trying something different for it, or if it's too loud, just let me know. Alright. So we're gonna need the game object of the menu. And then, okay, that's gonna need to link to the player too. So when the player health is less than 0, you freeze the game, and you make sure we start the game up here, and then we're gonna make the menu and then create a little animation for it here. Out back, and then ignore time scale true, because the time is gonna be frozen. Alright. See what this looks like here. This should work. Finally, you're not a full hour late. Yeah, getting in early on this one. This should be the last stream for this game. It should be. I should be able to finish everything, because we just need like menus and stuff. But I plan on doing other streams. Will you realize what I'm gonna ask? What are you gonna ask, rather? I'm not sure. I can't read your mind. Yeah, this is gonna be like the menus and stuff like that, and then whatever else we need. Like, if we think of anything else while I'm playing the game, that we're missing, One thing I was thinking of is like a health pickup or something. Just so it's like a little easier, or maybe just balancing stuff. But I need to make sure this works. Perfect. So when you die, the screen just pops in. Just one more time. Let's make sure. Yeah, maybe a little slower, but I like that. And just do it over 1 second. Okay. So, what do you guys think I should do for like the background for this? Because I feel like just a plain white picture that says game over isn't very interesting. Like, that's kind of just boring, you know? So I was thinking what we could do here, let's name this game over. Sorry if you guys hear my dog bark too. It's kind of loud. Title. Use the font. Ooh, I think it's gonna look cool. Game over. We also could do like score or something, or maybe we like show the final level and like a button to restart. Final level. Let me just do 3 for now, just a placeholder there. And then let's move this down so we can just see it here. And then we can do a button to restart the game, or like to go to the main menu and restart. Put that down here, and then we can make them like look better too. This is just kind of like a template almost. So we need Xrather, what's your question? I don't understand. What were you gonna ask? Something about the art?
You know what's better than a limited time deal?
When does the Discord drop? Oh, dude, I completely forgot about Discord. I need to do that. Yeah. I need to figure out how to do that. Maybe, so for the next game, what we can do is, like, we can do stuff with the Discord and you can, like, submit your ideas and stuff in there. But for this stream, I'll figure it out. Yeah. There should totally be a Discord server. I keep forgetting. Add an AI wizard in the menu fighting monsters. Ooh, that could be, like, cool for the, like, main menu screen. Like, just, like, interactive in the background. But alright, so this is ugly. So what are your guys' ideas for the background? I was thinking we could do like a brick wall maybe, or brick or something. I also don't love these buttons. We might need to create like a texture for them. I'm gonna start though by making that brick and seeing what it looks like on here. I'm gonna do this. It's kind of the same way I made the other stuff. Smooth the edges. Oh yeah. I think so. Let me try this first though. I do like that idea. If I remember. But we do like that, and then we maybe do like the purple, like lines through it. You make sure they're straight. You just like kind of random like brick, you know? I'm bad at this. I think it's okay if it looks a little bit like funky or a little off. Doesn't need to be perfect. Xrather, if you have any ideas. I mean, the art guy. Were you there in the last stream, Xrather? I don't think you were. Or one of them you missed. Yeah, we added a lot. I really like the zombie enemy. Whoever's idea that was really good. I'm using Krita to make these. I know some people use like Photoshop and stuff, but you have to pay for all those, and this one's free. And then I just like kind of figured out my own way for making it work. I'm just gonna like play with this though, see what happens. The gray is too neutral for the purple. Perhaps. Yeah, you might be right with that. Okay. This will tile good though. Purple not stand out. What if we do like a... Feels like a maze. Yeah, it kind of does look like a maze. I just want to see what this looks like, because I think you're right, Xrather, but... I want to see... Purple more vibrant. Let's get this in here and see what it looks like. I'm going to tile it up. Yeah, it looks not very good, I think. What do you think? Hi, how's the game going? In the last stream, we added a zombie enemy, Me5. We added him. He knocks you back when he runs into you. And right now we're working on the menus. But, alright, so looking at this, do you think it should be brighter? I feel like it all, like, kind of blurs in. Text doesn't fit the background. Yeah. Could we do... I'm trying to think here. I don't know if... Color. What do you... It should be more magic. Yeah. How do you think we should do that? What if we make this lighter? I just want to see what this will look like with the lighter color. Color on all these. Text and buttons should work. Yeah, they don't really work though. Let's see what this color looks like for it. Yeah, I think that looks even worse somehow. What if... So many ideas. What are they? Let me hear them. What if we make the text, like, bold? That doesn't really make a difference. Try and explain the ideas. What if I add like a border around the text? I do like a background. Yeah, it's hard to talk art. I know what you're saying. Some outlines. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try and do that to make them stand out more. Now we need these to be like curved, but I'm not really... I need a new sprite for that. So let me try and create a curved sprite. This just needs to be The game over text should be purple. Ooh, yes. Okay, I do like that. Let me get the background for this going. I'm not even sure how to do that in this. I think if I just go for... What's the music? It's just some stuff I got on SoundCloud. I don't even know. It's just non-copyright stuff. Maybe the text is purple. Yeah, okay, wait. I kind of like, maybe, okay, wait, hold on. Let's see what this looks like. With this, like, curved edges background in there. Okay. I actually kind of like how it's not perfect. It's a little... Then we add that for these two. What do we think of this? I think this looks a little better. Background looks worse and worse the better you make the foreground. Interesting. Like this part is great, or like this part's great? Like the in-game or the menu? I think this should be vibrant purple. I don't want it to get lost. Yeah, the menu. This is tough. I'm glad I did decide to do this on stream, because I'd be lost without you guys. What if I make this, like... The background of the menu should be removed? So what do you think it should be, just plain? Oh, I kind of like that. Ooh, wait, hold up. I might be onto something here. So what do you think this should just be? Okay. Just a plain, like... I feel like the final level is not big enough. Yeah, that's probably true. I was just trying to make sure it's smaller than the title. Okay. At a boss when you're at level 1 to stop you at all costs. A boss fight would be cool, but I feel like it's a little late for that. What if I use this? Just brainstorming here. Kabusmo, nice to see you. Oh, oh. Like that. That's just the font, I think. I'm confused. Okay, I think I just need to decide something. So I personally think I like the wood better for this. I think that looked better to me, at least. Just doing like this.
At Avera Orthopedics,
And then we can do... Can do sorry for not being last time. It's okay. I'm glad you're here this time. What if we did this? Does that look... Oh, that looks really bad. Okay. Let's just see what this looks like real quick. Like when we're in like actually playing the game. load here. If we go with the wood, maybe add 2. Ooh, like rope. I really like that idea. This is taking a long time. There we go. Need to move. Okay, I just want to see what it looks like when you die. Like if it drops down and if it's like too harsh. No, I think I really like that. And we can do like borders. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna really quickly go in and code the buttons. Just real quick here. And just kind of think about that. Do you usually have playtesting done? I don't know. I don't like usually do too much playtesting, I guess. I just kind of like play it as I'm going. And just kind of like do balancing and stuff that way. Okay, so now we need restart pressed, and this is just going to reload the currency. And we need main menu pressed. Just load scene 1. Oh, I think that actually needs to be backwards for this. There we go. Yeah, if I got a Discord up, you guys could play test the games too. That would be fun. Would you guys be interested in doing that? What kind of stuff could I put in a Discord? I don't ever use Discord. Could use your guys' ideas for stuff. Could... You can put everything in Discord. This is just like a way to connect with you guys more. Really, you can stream from Discord? Download games. That's interesting. Okay, so that works, and then we need the final level text. Like, they're just... Okay, that's cool. I feel like that'd be a good way to, like, get to know you guys more. And then you guys could, like... Do you guys get notifications for my streams? That Angry Birds mod, that'd be cool. Levels dot current level to string F0. You guys do get notifications? Yeah, sometimes. What am I trying to do here? What did that say? Final level. Okay. This should work here, and then we can start working on the other stuff. Making it all look a little better. Oh, I forgot to assign all that. Levels, level text. There we go. Alright. There we go, final level 10, and then main menu, it just takes you here because you haven't put anything there yet. But, okay, sweet. So we think we like how this looks. I think I'm happy with it. I could try and do like a rope. I can see what that'll look like actually, or just kind of maybe like gold corners or something. I'm thinking gold, I don't know why. But just kind of like I don't really know how to do this here. Look at other professional Discord servers. Yeah, that could be worthwhile. I think I'm just gonna put this, whatever this is, on the corners of those. So wait, are there like Discord moderators? Like, is that? Cause I always hear jokes about them, but is that where that comes from? Also, it would be cool to change how it shows up. I think I like that smooth out movement. It's better than it just like popping up on the screen. Exactly the joke. That's funny. Okay, we can just see what this looks like. Just a little extra piece on there. Pop it in, and then
It's time to stop making excuses.
Oh, what is going on? Where's the guy that kept saying pink orb? I have no idea. There are only 4 of you guys in here. Yeah, he kept saying something with pink. I don't even... It's kind of funny. Those kind of look like flowers. I think we might just leave that out actually for now. That's fine. But I'm going to actually go and copy this before we get too distracted. Copy this for like a windscreen. Oh, Kabuzmo, that was you? Do you still want something pink? Pink dash this was. Alright, so this should just be the exact same. Should you like green? Because you win, or no? I think it's okay keeping it purple for now. And the buttons should do the exact same thing. And then that'll happen the same thing here if player health is, or wait, no, if levels, like current level is equal to 0, then it brings up the other screen. All right. Here we go. As a kid, I yearned for the pink dashie. That's crazy. Minecraft movie was top tier. Movie of the year. Yeah, I did. We were talking about that a little bit in the last stream. It was funny. All the people throwing popcorn. Let's just make sure this works here. Current level 0, and then the UN screen, and it has your perfect. Okay. What was your guys' favorite part of the movie? Don't spoil it though, just in case anyone hasn't. Flint and pink. Oh shoot. Okay. Is it a spell? No, it's a pink dash. You guys are funny. Okay. Remove the final level from the windscreen. Yeah. Should something else go there, do you think? You reached level 0 or something? Let me just take that out for now, see what it looks like. It's kind of blending in. We can just see what that's like. Okay. What else do we need? This is going a lot quicker than I thought. Sky King? What's up? Oh, that's RX rather. Dang. Are you leaving? Going to bed? Alright, this game is kind of really hard. I'm kind of realizing that. Let me just try and play through it once, see if you can beat it. I made it so when you level up you get a little faster because you'll be smaller. You like penguins? Oh, you're the penguin guy. I just want to see if it's possible to beat. Should we like make this a harder type of game? Because you know some of these games are like really tough to beat. I'm gonna be honest guys, I love how this looks. Like the way this stuff dies, like especially the zombie, the way it drops the brains. Difficulty selector, yeah, that could be an option. Dude, this is kind of fun. It's kind of, you made a good game. Just gonna run away and spam. Boom, you win. That's actually, this is kind of good. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So next, yeah, it is really fun. So now we got the menus. Hold on, let me check my to-do list here. Windscreen, end screen, main menu was next. Let's work on that for a bit. So we can go to scenes and go to our main menu scene here. Okay, yeah, so right now it's blank. So, what do we think we should have here? I'm thinking we need to have the credits too. Can't forget about that. I'm gonna need to go through all like the old streams and see who's commented stuff. What should we call it too? We don't even have a name. You win. Alright, let's get some of this stuff going here. So let's do camera space. Potato Man, what is up? How are you doing? Have you been in the stream before? Excuse me. We're adding a main menu right now. 6 viewers? Yeah, I think this is a record. I want a game dev, but every time I do coding, I lose all motivation. Yeah, dude. Coding is... I like coding, but you need to, like, know a lot. Like, you just need to practice. Because I started out not knowing much. But I watched a lot of YouTube videos. A lot of, brackies. Kind of saved my life. Okay, this is gonna be the background here. Let's actually, I just want to make sure it like matches with the other scene. I kind of want to be a game dev too, but right now I suck at modifying existing games. I don't know where to start from. I don't know where to start. I feel like just, I don't know, you just need to start. Watch some tutorials. I'm using Unity. But I know a lot of people use Godot. I hear that's a really good one too. I'm actually gonna go to college here next year for game development. And hopefully I'll learn a lot there. But yeah, you just need to, like, if you want to do it, you just need to really take the steps, you know? Because there are a lot of people that get, like, stuck in their own head, like saying, oh, I'm gonna do it someday, but then they never actually, like, sit down and do it, you know? So it's just kind of getting into it. What's your dream game? Like, if you guys could make any game, what would it be? I'm trying to make sure this all works here real quick, though. I think my dream game would be, like, some sort of, like, multiplayer, like, I don't even know. Just a fun multiplayer game. Something funny. Okay, but that's okay. So here's what I'm thinking for this. You can do, I like physics-based games, probably like Angry Birds and Bad Piggies. Yeah, physics-based games are fun. Sometimes make random games on Scratch, Blob Simulator. Physics in, at least in Unity, is pretty easy because it's got its own like built-in physics system. So you should like play around with some of that if you're interested. Sounding like I'm sponsored or something. Do you plan to be a single dev forever? I feel like it'd be really fun to work on like a small team. Like a team of like 5 or 6 people where everyone has their own job, you know? I feel like that would be really cool. Just making projects, getting rich. I don't know, I just really like making games, I guess. And then, alright, so here we go. We're gonna work on this main menu here. So it's gonna be your background. What is 17 plus 25? Like 42 or something? I don't know. Is that right? That's embarrassing if it's wrong. So here's gonna be, where'd we put that guy? I really like this border thing we made for these, so I'm gonna use that on this as well. And just, alright. What did we decide for the name? I appear your mathematical calculation seems to be correct, sir. I'm sorry. That was mean. Maybe we can do like a vote or something. You guys can decide on the name, since you guys have helped so much with it. Wizardant? Is that a word? I don't think so.
Cancer network in your area.
Pythagorean theorem. Sky King. I know that one. Let's add here. You know what? Never mind. I just need to add the buttons now. Maybe we can just put the enemies like wandering around in the background. I feel like that could be cool. We could have like was the music muted that whole time? Sorry. Fish. Isn't fish some sort of math thing? Am I tweaking? Alright, so this is kind of what I'm thinking. I don't know, do we need more than just credits and play? Play button, let's go in and add its function. Create empty. Where's that at? Perhaps the commerce button shall be located at the center of the game screen. What even? Is that even English? Just kidding. We need. What do we need here? What am I doing? Need to go in. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Your grammar was just so good, I forgot what I was doing. It just like stunned me. Let's do. So we need to start pressed. You shall not pause. Dude, you guys are funny. Literally the nerd emoji. So we press play. It needs to load the other scene. There we go. Alright. So this is what it's gonna look like. So you're gonna drop. Oh, hold up. That does not look right. Okay, here we go. Alright. So imagine this, you just loaded up the game. A wizard game. We'll get a better title. And now hit play. And it drops you in here. We're gonna need to do like maybe a how to play with like the controls and stuff. And then let me see if I can beat it though. Pulls off the source. Ah, dude, this is kind of tough. This game might be impossible. had a spell that pauses the monsters. Like a freeze spell. An ice spell would be cool. I like how the XP works too. I think it's all kind of coming together. Yeah, pink dash spell. Maybe. Let me finish what we're doing here, and then we can maybe just add more spells for fun. If we have the time. Boom, you win. And then now we can press main menu. It takes you back here. Is that the game, guys? Are we done? Let's finish up and add. Let's add a how to play actually as well. Real quick. Hold on, Kabuzmo. We'll get there. We might get... I actually won't promise that because I don't know if we're going to. But if I can get this done quick enough and we have extra time, we can maybe add a pink dash spell. I don't even know what that means. Credits button. And how to play. There we go. Now we need to make this look a little prettier, I guess. When I'm done with this, we can just like add a bunch of dumb stuff you guys want. Just kind of have fun with it. Okay, I like that. Would it be better if it's the center? Oh yeah, you're probably right. We kind of do it like opposite of how it is right now. Play. And then make this at like 500, 400, 250. There we go. Make that 250. And then make this at negative. Or wait, hold up. Negative 180, 250. Make this white again. Hold up. There we go. Okay. What are you guys talking about? I'm lost. Also, I'm gonna try and... this might not work. Let's go ahead. Because I want to try and add like just monsters wandering around in the background. You guys are like talking brain rot, but like fancy brain rot. Do you guys know Italian brain rot? Have you ever seen any of that? Tortellini bambini or something. I don't even know it. Tong 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 zaho. Here we go. We can add a skeleton. Tralalero, tralala. No, it's everywhere, dude. You can't escape it. Tong 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 tong. Zoho. What one's your favorite? I don't even know. Do you guys know the lore too? Because didn't one of them like kill one of them or something? You understand Skibidi Toilet? Oh my gosh. Okay. Trollolo trollala. Chimpanzini bananini. No, guys. It's okay. You don't need to. Are you gonna like clip that or something? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't clip it. Okay. Lock in, guys. We need to lock in. Okay. I saw you clip something else. I don't even know what that was. I just misspoke. Okay, let's add the how to play section. Add tung 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 to the game. Maybe. I don't know, maybe it's like a secret Easter egg for the zombie or something. That could be funny. Very streamer spoke. Yeah, is that what it was? Mateen? It might. Yeah. That's what I thought it was. It was a mistake. Alright, and this how to play thing. I don't know how to make this look good. What if we do... Here we go. I have an idea. What if we do a big one of these guys and we just kind of add text in it? Nothing fancy, but... Oh, yeah, yep. That is what I said. Stop. You guys are mean. You guys are bullies. Okay. It was pretty funny. Okay, so we're gonna say we're gonna have a section for controls. And then enemies. Just so you kind of know what's up. What are you talking about, Kuzbuzma? What does that mean? I've never seen that word before. So we're gonna have to move. Should this be a different color? Mouse to aim. And then we're gonna do one is I think your fireball. We can do that separate actually. We can do a spells tab so we have the room. me organize this a bit, actually. Shoot. This is like the boring stuff, but I just need to figure out where all this goes. Spells. Are you guys talking about brain rot again? So 1 fireball. Your second spell is gonna be your wind. And your third spell. How do you spell poison? Someone Google it for me. No, I have the numbers for the controls. And for here, we can do a picture of them. So for the skeleton, so do skeleton's gonna be the ranged one. We can disable all this, so it's just the sprite. His arms gone? What in the world? Where does arms go? Okay, there we go. Add a Sans Easter egg. I'm actually kind of tempted to do that. So we still have, I think we still have the Sans sprite in here. So we can have a dash. And it'd be the spider. No, it doesn't look right. Here we go. Where is he? Here, you know what? Image. This doesn't, I don't know. I feel like it doesn't look very good, but we can always make it better. Yeah, we do have Sans in here. If you guys do want that as a little Easter egg. I was gonna have to dash. And the zombie is just gonna be Sigma. What the heck? That's Aura. I mean, sorry. I talk with so much brain rot. IRL. Guys, what is going on right now? Dude, what? Who is just spamming? Why are you guys spamming burgers? What is going on? Guys, someone inform me. Dude, what? How do you even get that? Is that like a emoji or something? Because it's the Burger Rebellion. Oh boy. My stream is getting overtaken by burgers. Add a hamburger. It's tempting. Kind of hungry right now. Okay, wait, okay. I need to lock in, guys. Quit distracting me. Just kidding. Okay, we need the game object of the menu. We need the credits, and we need the how to play. So when you press back, disable the how to play, disable the credits, and the menu. Those will be set true. And then also we need the same for the opposite for how to play pressed. And that is going to set that to false and that to true. Okay. Just it's raining burgers. You guys are so funny. I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. The burger army has taken over my stream. Okay, main menu, or wait. Back pressed. And then in main, we do credits. I mean, how to play. We'll take you to how to play press. Alright, let's test it out. Wait, I have an idea. Start a song. Oh, alright, you guys got that. That doesn't work. Getting a lot of errors. Add bad XP that levels you up from a burger monster. That's actually a funny idea. Like bad XP could be interesting. Like you just want to avoid it. And like act like it's helpful. How to play. Okay, wait a minute. I'll do the credits off stream, so I can go find all of the guys that really helped. Credits menu. Right. What's going on? Yeah, bro. I don't even know what's going on in the chat. I'm just gonna let it happen though.
So high.
Alright, I think we might be done with most of the game. Remove the, yeah, got rid of those from him. That was too much. You can just ignore these errors, it's fine, I promise. Alright, how to play, and then it takes you here. And then maybe I can also add, here I actually have an idea for that, just to make it a little more clear. I can add numbers to those things up there, so it's like clearer maybe. Spells, add text. There we go. Small idea for the wand. After setting its position, move forward by a set amount so it looks like the wizard is rotating from the handle. Ooh, okay, wait. That could be interesting. Because that shouldn't be too tough to do either.
Yes, I'm asking you to help me.
Because I have the wand parent and then I actually have the actual wand. So, what I have is that. Yeah, what would that look like, I wonder? Like that? Maybe a little more. Guys, what is going on in the chat? Ooh, that looks a lot better actually. Good idea. Yeah, that looks really good. I need to fix this UI real quick. I don't really love that. Okay, start a new song. I think we might be done, guys. I don't know. Make so you lose a spell every 5 level downs. I was thinking about doing like losing a spell. I could maybe do that. Because I feel like right now, at least, the level down it doesn't do too much. It just makes you like get smaller and get a little faster. But also, I kind of just want to finish this project because I've been working on it for a while. So I'm not sure. Honestly, guys, after this stream, I might just do a few more things, take a few more ideas from you guys, and then, just like release it. I've only been working on this game on streams, but I think it's been a while. You can go back and see when the first one is. But I've been working on it for quite a bit now, I think. Yeah, Cameron, I remember you. Wait, just say right now, like, I or something if you want to be in the credits, so I remember. I'll go and skim through all the other ones too. But I'll do you a couple that are in here. Potato Man, sure. We can do Cameron. Kabuzmo, you'll be in there, don't worry. I don't want to forget anyone either. Here, let me add you guys' names to this notepad I got real quick. Okay. Potato Man. Sky King. Fythus. Who else? Xrather. If you guys can think of anyone else that I might have missed. Did I add you, Cameron? Oh, I forgot about you. Thank you. Okay. I think that's all for now. I'll double check though later. Let's just get this credits screen working up here. Why do you guys have so much energy today? You guys are chatting a ton. It's funny. Keep it up. Sigma. Don't clip that, please. Okay. Now that back button should be working. You go back in here and just get the credits button. On click. Game manager. Did I forget to add that? I forgot to hit save. Credits pressed. Doesn't do anything. Okay, I'll start a story. Once there was a cookie. The cookie got eaten by a dolphin. It had already been more than an hour. Are you guys making a story? The dolphin had a jetpack. I don't know. Alright. I don't want to end the stream, but I don't really know what else to do. Do you guys have any ideas that aren't like completely changing the game that I could add? Do we need a way to gain health back, do you think? Pink dash? I'm thinking about it. Pink dash, that's 2. Okay, wait. Would the pink dash be like a spell that you use? Or would it just be like a thing, you know? To escape. Yeah, but we need to go and make all like the extra UI stuff for it. And
No matter who you are or what you do, there's a Ford vehicle.
small. Oh yes, hold on. Enemy appearing animation is good.
The new Ford Explorer.
Let me do that real quick.
Easy with the powerful performance of a new built Ford Tough F-Series truck, the best-selling trucks in America for 48 years. Or take
How
your
about
adventures in the great outdoors to a whole new level with our
we
Built Wild
add like
family
a
of Ford
Sans
Bronco.
Easter egg or
Whether it's for
something?
work or play, there's a Ford with a great deal waiting for you at your local Northland Ford dealers. Don't wait, get behind the wheel of a new Ford today, based on calendar year total sales.
We need. Doesn't it kind of already change the sprite when it's hit? Vector 3.0. Okay, starts. No, we need. What are you guys doing? Okay, this should be enough to give the little animation. Make a black hole to wipe out everything. That could be an interesting spell, actually. Alright, let's see if this works for this animation here. Yes, perfect. They kind of like pop in now. Ooh, I kind of like how all that looks actually. Like how everything kind of, it's just smooth. The tween starts every frame instead of just once. So I'm using lean tween for it, and you only call it once. Kabuzmo, what are you guys talking about? Cosmetics could actually be fun. Maybe like you could change your hat color or something. Oh, I am calling in the update function? You might be right, actually. Oh, wait, I think you actually are right. Hold up. That's a good catch. I did not notice that. So, to fix that, what I'm just gonna cheat and do... This should work, just a like quick workaround. I'm just gonna like set the values different so it only calls it once. Because we're not gonna need to go back, because when I do restart it like reloads the scene. There we go. Perfect. That was a good catch. I did not notice that. Add a gun? The fireball is basically a gun. I actually really kind of like the idea of cosmetics. Or just like being able to maybe get different wands or something. I don't really know. Okay. Where should I add that in there? Because if I do like a button for that, it wouldn't really fit in here. I don't know. I think I might just have to call it with what it is. Do you guys think I should do maybe another stream sometime this week with like other stuff? Like I just start a completely new game. Like maybe I do like I made a game based on your guys' ideas, because I'm planning on turning this into a video. I'm just gonna like do a video based on all the stuff you guys added. But after this stream, yeah, we can do another stream later this week, and I'll take all your guys' ideas. It'll just be like purely chaos. I can even set up the Discord and like we can do stuff in there too. So I might end the stream here soon, and then I'll release it. I'll do like a community post so you guys can play it. Put the link in there, or if you just go to like my itch.io page, you can see it in there. But green tint to the enemies on the poison blob. Yeah, some feedback there could be nice. Or what if we just make it appear like in front of them? I don't even remember how we did that. Wait, hold on. Poison bubble. What are you guys talking about? was good. That animation looks good too. Alright. I think I need to make it a little easier actually. It's really tough. Or maybe when you pick up an XP, I think your health should go up like just by a little bit. Like just enough to help out a bit. If it's XP, health goes up by 2. I think there's also a bug with the enemies right now. They move faster when they're further away from you. I think I know why actually. We need to normalize it, I think. To make it between 1 and 0, right? Do you guys know? Maybe in Delta time? Maybe. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not. Where did I put that? Hold on. Mover. Oh, shoot. It might be. Well, because doesn't normalizing it,
At Avera Orthopedics, we're transforming pain into possibility every day. Whether you're chasing a personal
doesn't
best
normalizing
or
it make
simply
it go
wanting to
between
enjoy
0
life
and
to the
1?
fullest,
Like it
our
just.
specialized care is designed to help.
Why isn't it working? Moved her. Oh wait, hold on. No, I think it was just doing that on the zombie, maybe. Yeah, I just want it to not like ramp up. Yeah. Oh, but now the zombie is super slow. I think that was it. I think that fixed it. But now I want its speed to be a little bit slower than the spider, or faster, I think. Yeah, let's just do 20, see what happens, see if that's too hard. I'm probably gonna end the stream at 5:30 my time, guys. Once we finish everything up here. I think he needs to move a little faster. Wait, now the health is broken? What is going on? If health is less than 100, make the health go up. There we go. And then maybe make this, I don't know, I don't really know, how do you balance a game? Like if it's too hard, do I make there be less enemies? Do I make you do more damage? Do I give you more health? Like I feel like there's so many ways you can go about doing that. Make you do more damage? Honestly, don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think having the health pickups on the kills is definitely helping. Yeah, I just need to play around with it. Because now I feel like it's too easy with the health pickups. Because I'm still at full health. I think I just, yeah, maybe make it go up by 0.5 instead of 2. Yeah. See how that works. There we go. Yeah, it's a lot slower now, but I think that's going to be better for how we want it to go. Let's do like, okay, so let's imagine we just played this game. Whoa, what's this cool game? Just saw it online. How to play. Controls, use your mouse to aim. Okay. Okay. Credits, we'll add those later. Then you hit play. Drops you in. You're like, what am I supposed to be doing? Kinda. You wander around. And don't see any enemies. Do, so you know games like, consider adding the ropes. I might make everything hamburger. We'll do that. Okay, we're gonna do another stream or start another game where we just do like random ideas that you guys have. I'll try and add those ropes though for you. What do you mean by ropes though? I'm not really. Just like ropes on the corners. Oh, like it's hovering, like it's being held up by the ropes. Yeah. Yeah, I get that. So for that, we can just do like, should I try and do like spiral or something, you know? I don't really know. How do you draw a rope? Potato Man, you have to go. See you later. I don't know what you guys were talking about, but I'll add you in the credits, don't worry. Is that good enough for the rope, do you think? Or do you want it? Let's see what this looks like. Kinda looks like a turd, but it's okay. I think it'll look good with the gold. This will be my last thing I do, guys, before I end this stream. Ooh, that actually looks good. That was a really good idea. Just like that. And then set it back up at 500. Where did they go? Alright, let's try and beat it and just see, make sure those ropes look good. And then I think I'm gonna end the stream after that. See how hard it is though, see if it's possible to win. Whoa. I really like how that XP looks, like the way it flies at you. Oh, yeah, but the ropes do look good. I think gonna have to call that a game. Thanks you guys for watching. This is the most viewers I've had for this long. Or like almost 6 you guys the whole time. It's really cool. Okay, so I think what my plan is, I am going to make. Oh yeah, oh you're right, dude, I forgot about the title. Hold up. What should the title be? Level down. I'm bad with like titles. Should we ask ChatGPT? That's what I'd do. Let me ask ChatGPT. If you guys have any ideas, throw them at me. What? Guys, lock in. Game name ideas. Wizfall. Non-level upgrade. Fight this. We're just about to end the stream. No. Bad Wizard. I actually kind of like Bad Wizard. Does that fit in there? What do we think? Put a 1 if you like Bad Wizard. Ooh, wait. Yeah, fight this. So basically, type a 1 if you like Bad Wizard, or a 2 if you don't like it. I just want to see what you guys are thinking. Fight this. We added how to play. We're gonna do credits. I'll make sure to include you. And we finished it. We had a screen for when you win and lose. I'll show you that here. This is what it looks like, and then you can go main menu or restart. It's looking like we're getting more 2s than 1s. What about, yeah, magic downgrade? Wow, I cannot spell. I need to. M-A-T-E-I-N. Yeah, sorry, did I spell that wrong in here? Yeah, I'll make sure I get that. What if I make it like there's a like the name of the game is different each time you open it, so like sometimes it's gonna be magic downgrade, sometimes it's gonna be Bad Wizard. What do you think of that? So then you guys can all kind of be included with it. Genius. Alright, let me code that up real quick. I think I know how to do that. Okay. So public, so the text, title text, big brain time. There we go. Okay, so on start. Okay, so we need, I don't actually know how to do this, I don't think. I've never used strings in this. But we can see how this works. Okay. Equals string. Can you name one version Sigma Wizard? Sure. Zero to title's length. Okay, now it should. Yeah, I think it's a string array should do what I want. Okay, what were the titles? Non-level upgrade. Is that gonna fit? Yes, okay, barely. Pretty much fight this. Bad wizard. Yeah, guys, start giving me your ideas. Sigma wizard. Chronomancer's curse. Sure. Is that gonna fit? Any others, you guys? Want to see Rizzy Wizzy? Stop. What is it gonna look like? We might have to get rid of Chronomancer's curse because it's a little too big. I'm sorry. We are leveling down. So any ideas with that? Tung Tung. No, I actually like that one. Tung Tung Wizard. Let's just make sure my code works actually. Hold on. I don't know if it's gonna. Oh, I forgot to assign it. And then let's just set that like on every button you press. Every time you go back. Magic Mayhem. I like that one. What does that say? Okay, let's make sure this works. There we go. Tung Tung Wizard, Magic Mayhem. I actually like that. This is peak. Game of the year right here. Loudest dog. I'm sorry. He barks a lot. Okay, any other titles other than these 5? Okay, because once we get this, I'm ending the stream. Just boom. Okay. All caps. With exclamation marks. That's too long, fight this. Alright. I think we've got them all. I'll do one more. I'll just try and beat the game one more time. Just see if it's possible. Finish everything out. And then... Tung Tung Wizard. Yeah. We have Italian brain rot in the game. Okay. So the way I think I'm going to, like... release this game or whatever is I'm going to wait until I make the video about it, because eventually I'm going to turn this into a video, so it'll just be in there for you guys to play it. Classy leveling, classy bad leveling. I think that's a little too long. Or that one Family Guy meme. Dude, okay, so I could just put the credits in the end of the video. I'll probably do that too. I'll probably make it like movie credits, you know. But I'll also just put it in the game, because why not, you know? So you're in both. You're gonna be famous. It's kind of, the game's actually good. It's pretty fun. Yippee, yeah. This has actually been a really fun project. I'm gonna do another stream sometime, or start another game where I just do your guys' ideas. Like, I just do random, like, dumb stuff. Kabuzbo, I might be able to do that. I'm not sure. But, yeah. So I'm going to end the stream here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been a really fun one. I really like streaming. Yeah, Cameron, they're fun. You maybe won't be here. That's alright. Thanks for watching this one. Alright. See you guys later.